If you love gaming but hate wasting money, you've probably heard about AM4 and AM5 CPUs. Here's what actually matters for your next build. AM4 has been a budget champion for years, great for reusing DDR4 RAM and grabbing last-gen Ryzen chips. But here's the catch: AM4 is now a legacy platform. That means no new CPUs, no DDR5, and no support for next-gen features like PCIe 5.0 or USB 4. If you want the latest tech and future upgrades, AM5 is the clear winner. AM5 supports faster DDR5 memory, next-gen SSDs, and AMD promises support for more CPUs in the years ahead. Bottom line, AM4 is great if you're saving cash or already own one, but if you want a PC that won't feel old fast, AM5 is your future-proof choice.